Follow the steps on how to make a die-cut sticker in Adobe Illustrator. First, make sure the design image has been grouped. Then press Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste in back. Now we have two identical objects. Next, open the layer and lock the object above it. Select the object and change it to white. Then go to Object, Path and Offset Path. You can make it like this. Then go to Pathfinder and click Unite. Use the Shape Builder to remove the hole in the middle. Unlock the main object. You can give a name if needed. Finally, groups. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.